So this is a very rare circumstance. What usually happens to the stock market after 5 green days in a row? SPY will go all the way back to 2015. What happens after 5 green days in a row? That's quite the significant rally. We'd expect a pullback, right? Let's see what we're looking at here. If we take a look, you actually have a modest edge if you just buy on the 6th day following a 5-day market rally, which I guess isn't too surprising. When people get greedy, they get really greedy. And this honestly makes a lot of sense too. When you're in a bear market, you're getting those dead cat bounces. You can see they're pretty aggressive. 5 days in a row, you're seeing a 3.48% average 10-day return following those 5 days. And there's some decent edge here. And you know what? We can take it even one step further. These aren't just green candles. These are green candles of at least 0.5% or more. So let's check that. 5 days in a row of 0.5% or more. That's a rally mode on steroids. If I've ever heard it, I'm assuming there's not going to be many signals here, but let's check anyways. Oh my lord, that is a monstrous edge on the market, albeit only 4 times over the last 10 years. But over those 4 times, you saw some monstrous 30-day returns, even 5 days, outperforming the S&P by what, 8x? 30 days, that is massive return. So I guess we'll see what happens, but we're getting a pretty rare signal right now. Over a year between these signals on average.